Hello, welcome to day 2 of tackling jobs I am not looking forward to kick off spring cleaning. I started by assembling this mop vacuum thing I got for Christmas. Never used it before, although my sweet husband has, so I'm kind of looking forward to seeing how it goes. I really despise mopping, so if it makes it any easier, I'm game. And lo and behold, it's super easy and helpful to use, makes the job go a whole lot quicker, and it kept the baby entertained because she really liked the noise it made. Cleaning this appliance was super easy, just putting some water in this little base and then running it to cycle through the water. Then baby girl decided she needed cuddles, so I strapped her on and continued cleaning. I really will miss this stage of life because she's only going to want to be worn for so long, so I'll take it. Right when I was finished, my very naughty cat spilled some water, so I used the mop to clean it up. Work smarter, not harder.